Moving to a new country for university is exciting, but it can also be challenging, especially when homesickness kicks in. If you're missing home, know that you're not alone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping students, parents, and school counselors navigate the exciting and sometimes overwhelming world of university admissions. In today's video, we'll share some practical and effective ways to cope with homesickness, build connections, and feel more at home in your new environment. Homesickness is completely normal. It's your mind and heart adjusting to a new environment. You might feel lonely, miss your family and food from home, or even struggle with cultural differences. But the good news here, it gets better. Keeping in touch with your family and friends is important, but constantly being on video calls or social media can make you feel more disconnected from your new life. Set a routine, maybe a weekly call, so you can stay updated while also making room for new experiences. One of the best ways to feel at home is by making new connections. Join student clubs, attend social events, and meet people from different backgrounds. You might even find others who are feeling the same way. Having familiar things from home can make a big difference. Decorate your room with photos, cook your favorite meals, or even bring small keepsakes that remind you of home. These little touches help create a sense of comfort in a new place. Instead of focusing on what you miss, try to explore what's around you. Discover local cafes, parks, and landmarks. Establish new routines, maybe a Sunday brunch with friends or a weekly workout session. The more you engage with your new environment, the more at home you'll feel. Homesickness can feel overwhelming, but taking care of yourself makes a huge difference. Get enough sleep, exercise, and eat well. If you're really struggling, don't hesitate to seek support. Universities have counselors and mental health resources to help you through it. Homesickness is part of the journey, but with time, new friendships, and small changes, you'll start feeling more at home. Give yourself patience and grace. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share with anyone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. And if you are looking for support in your university admissions, you can book a discovery call with our experts. The link can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.